Hi, this is Lynn and Aron with Traveling Flamingo. Welcome back, and we hope you're making some fabulous memories. Today we're going to take you on the newest cruise line, Virgin Voyages, to have a look at their balcony stateroom. What do you need to bring? What can you leave at home? We're going to take you on a full stateroom tour so you know what to expect. All that and more coming right up. We were really excited to sail with Virgin Voyages. We had heard a lot about the adult-only cruise line and wanted to see what it was all about. From videos I'd watched, I wasn't sure about the stateroom, but there were a lot of features that really impressed me and others that weren't my favorite. So let's dive into this room tour and stick around because after we're going to share some more of our thoughts after staying there. Also, if you're interested, we have tons of cruising videos and port tours to help you plan your trip. So when this video is done, please check out our channel. Thanks for your support. Okay, here we are on the Scarlet Lady. Can we see we're in 13074 and use my band to open the door. And then in we come. Oh, I just love that the blinds open when you come in. Okay, let's take a look at where we are on the map before we get farther into everything. So we're on the 13th deck, pretty close to the top. We're lucky we don't have anything above us like the pool or anything, and mid to back, but that sort of gives you an idea. And then right beside when you come in is the closet. It's got this nice sort of just a sheer cover instead of the doors. You can see right now we've stacked our suitcases here. There's a couple little baskets that you can be putting stuff in. We really like using the packing cubes. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry about that. Let's see if Aron can do anything about that in editing. Here, if you want some privacy, you've got the top button, or if you need your room tidied up is the bottom button there, as well as some light features on the side. I think I will be making use of this space up here for my bags as well. But definitely a good amount of hanging space. Something that's always a challenge is shelving and storage space in general. There are your life jackets, couple towels, the safe. You could get an iPad in there. It might be tight for a laptop. Don't worry about bringing a hairdryer. They have one for you. So I'll be putting my packing cubes in here for sure. These drawers are a little shallow. So I'm not sure. I think Aron will end up using those because he's not a packing cube fan like I am. And then you've got a full mirror here. So, hello. Okay, let's just take a quick look at the room before we head into the bathroom. And here you can see you've got a little bit more storage space underneath. Pretty nice, relatively deep sink. A couple hand towels, a makeup towel. There's only 2 towels in here, but if you need more, you can get those. We do like having a little flashlight in the bathroom at night so we're not having to turn the light on all the time. In the shower here, I love that there is shampoo and conditioner. There's also body wash. A couple times traveling, I have tried to not bring shampoo and conditioner just to save on packing space, and then they don't have conditioner and I like to grow my hair out to donate, so it's always a big mess for me. So if you have long hair like me, don't worry, Virgin's got you covered, shampoo and conditioner. They also have a hand wand as well as the rain shower, so we'll let you know how the pressure is in that shower later. But that's a quick look at the bathroom. Pretty standard. You try to save space in the washrooms. On the right here, you can get still or sparkling water if you want that. You got a little upcharge if you want the corkscrew there, but that's all right. Down under here is the mini fridge. It is mini for sure, but if you want to keep a couple beverages cold or little snacks, piece of fruit or something in there, you can do that. I mean, there's so many places open to eat on a cruise ship that usually we don't often bring food back, but we do like to keep a couple drinks cold. There's a couple more little cubbies here. So looking again, all that storage space is so precious. The desk here, a cool shape, sort of like a little bit of a bean there, which is nice, but there's not a lot of counter space. I know that sounds weird, but between the both of us, our tech and book and hats and glasses, we do like having some space. So we'll see how that does and we'll let you know. This is a multi-port USB charger that we find super handy to travel with. You can see down here, one of the USB ports is being used for the iPad. There's another port. There's two what I would call standard ports plus a European port there. But so much stuff needs charging these days that that's just not enough. What's really cool about this iPad that you use for the TV, I guess it's a tablet, not necessarily iPad, is you can take it anywhere with you. So if you want to be on the bed and you're looking through things, you can do that. There's some cool modes as well, so that's really fun. Definitely like play around with it, see what you like. Opening the blinds, shutting the blinds, you know, it's fun. Definitely fun. Aron's been playing with it the most so far. In this corner, you've got a really comfy chair. And then this is the bed that can also be moved into the couch during the day. So, I mean, we've got this space. So it's just interesting during the day. I'll see sort of what we end up using this space for. And then there's another full-length mirror. Get a good view of yourself before you head out to that scarlet red party. And we are looking forward to going to the pajama party as well. So don't worry about that. We'll put some pictures in. I'm sure Aron will love that. We did manage to get a suitcase under there. That's just a little carry-on one. And we'll try one of our bigger ones. But here's the bed. It's a little low, but I think it'll be okay. Aron's been suffering with a bad knee as he's been doing his recovery. I think the lights in the back are cool. It's a very sort of minimalist feeling room. You can see that even with the side tables. There are power outlets. So this is the power outlets for this side of the bed here. To a USB and the power outlet. And then there is another one on the other side. Here we've got our view out the front of the ship. As you can see, we are sailing. It was a little bit of a later sail away, so we'll see what views we have left outside. And over here, you've got your other USB as well as some lights here. So just quick look back in the room. That area where the chair is, there's a ton of space there. I know for me, stretching is super important while we're away. So I'm gonna have lots of space to comfortably do that. I know on the Carnival Mardi Gras, the couch was big, which was nice, but we didn't have a ton of space to stretch. So there's definitely space to move around. Over here is where you can be opening and closing the blinds as well as a couple light switches. And you've got a warning when your door is unlocked and you're outside, the air conditioning is off. So make sure if you're in your room and you want that air conditioning on that you do lock the door. So let's see out here. Oh, it is getting darker, but it is still beautiful. So you've got a couple chairs, your table, and of course the Virgin hammock, which is super duper comfortable. And I'll show when you arrive on board, they'll just keep it up to the side over here to keep everything from swinging around, but it's there for you. And then we'll have a look out here. So sailing into some clouds, possibly a bit of rain, but absolutely beautiful. All the red accenting. Let's have a look back. You can see the red tender safety boats there. So I'm very impressed with the size of the balcony so far. We were sitting out here today and it was very comfortable. Sometimes you can feel a bit squished between the chair and the window or the edge there, but definitely a ton of space out here as well. So I'll have a look back through the room again. And, you know, very nice, pretty good amount of power outlets, but I do think we're still gonna absolutely need that multi-port USB charger. I like the amount of space, and I'm sure we will have more information to share with you after we've had a few more days here. And we'll let you know what we think, and we look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments as well. So now we've gone through the whole room tour, let's go over some of our thoughts. We have to talk about the bed couch situation. The bed does convert into a couch, which opens up the room and provides a lot more space. If you want this done, you can request it on the tablet. They won't just do it randomly for you. I would do this on sea days when we're in and out the room more. It was pretty cool, but definitely not something that we took advantage of a lot. Also, the balcony and the hammock. I knew this was something I was going to love, but I did not expect I was going to have to fight Aron for it. It was super relaxing and fun to hang out on the balcony in the comfy hammock. We also watched a cool documentary about how Virgin purchased the hammocks from Yellow Leaf that hand makes them and provides sustainable job creation for the locals. Super cool. One of our concerns before sailing was that there did not appear to be a lot of storage space, as it has a very minimalist design. We actually found it was pretty good, especially with the baskets that were in the closet. One of the things I also use are packing cubes, and I think that helped too, as I was able to stack some of those. One of our favorite things we really liked was having the jug of water in the room. I know it's so small and simple, but you can request it to be refilled on the tablet, and this was great on a Caribbean cruise, as staying hydrated is so important. We liked that it wasn't plastic bottles, and at the start of the day and our end of our day, we could have a bit of water. We do also find for us there are never enough outlets, and we use a multi-port charger, and that really helps. Aron will add a link below to the one that we like to use. It helps that we can charge everything at night and we're not having to sort of cable swap things during the day. One thing we would like to warn you about is how low the bed is. This is definitely the lowest bed we've ever had on a cruise ship. Aron actually compared it to almost like a blow-up mattress. It was that low. For some people with injuries or mobility requirements, this could be challenging. Aron is doing a lot better, but he recognized that for a while after his surgery, he would have struggled to get up from this bed alone. Overall, we really liked some of the features that Virgin has brought in, like the hammock and the tablet. We found the room to be pretty spacious, especially when the couch was out. Having the balcony is nice and it gives you extra space, and you gotta love that fresh sea air. It had a really nice different feel to the stateroom. I also wanted to say, if you're interested in some more of our content, we have another channel, Flamingos in Wonderland, where we talk about all things Disney and theme parks. What do you think of Virgin Voyages staterooms? Do you like the bed that converts to a couch? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your ideas, opinions, and being part of this community. As we say, memories are forever, so make them fabulous. Thanks again for watching, and happy travels.